Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you recently updated your iPhone to iOS 26 and suddenly noticed that your sound is low, distorted, or completely gone, you're definitely not alone. Many users have reported audio issues right after updating, but the good news is that there are several simple solutions you can try. This guide walks through the most effective ways to fix sound problems on iOS 26 so you can get your audio back to normal. The first thing to do is check the basics, since small settings can cause big problems. Make sure the silent switch on the side of your iPhone isn't turned on. Press the volume up button to confirm the device isn't muted. And open Control Center to ensure that focus modes, especially Do Not Disturb, are turned off. These features can silence calls and notifications without you realizing it. If everything looks correct and the sound still isn't working, it's time to go a little deeper. A very common issue is that iOS 26 may automatically connect to Bluetooth devices like AirPods or speakers, even if they're in another room. To rule this out, open Control Center and turn off Bluetooth entirely. Then play a video or music to see if your sound returns. This alone fixes the problem for many people. If the issue continues, try resetting your sound output through the Settings app. Navigate to Sounds and Haptics and move the ringer and alert slider left and right. If the sound comes back during this test, the issue is most likely just a minor software glitch. It also helps to toggle the change with buttons. Option off and then back on, which refreshes the internal sound controller. Another overlook causes dust or lint obstructing the speakers. Updates can change audio output levels, sometimes making hidden debris more noticeable. Using a soft brush or clean toothbrush, gently clean both the bottom speaker and the top earpiece. After cleaning, test your audio again to check for improvement. If the problem still persists, you may want to reset all settings on your device. This won't delete your photos, apps, or personal data, but it will reset system settings like sound configuration, Bluetooth profiles, and network settings, which may have become corrupted during the update process. You can do this through the Reset menu in the General section of Settings. iOS also includes a feature that limits loud sounds automatically. If your audio seems unexpectedly quiet, open the headphone safety section within Sounds and Haptics and turn off the Reduce Loud Sounds option. This can restore normal volume levels for music, videos, and calls. When all else fails, performing a force restart is often the fix. This isn't the same as a regular reboot. Force restarting clears temporary system caches, including those related to audio. After pressing volume up, then volume down and holding the power button until the Apple logo appears, many users find that lingering sound bugs disappear. With these steps, most sound problems after updating to iOS 26 should be resolved. Whether you're dealing with low volume, missing audio, or glitchy output, these solutions cover the most common causes. If this guide helped you, feel free to share your experience and what iPhone model you're using.